guys, today we got some new flavors of Lay's chips. These are Brazilian picana. Brazilian picana. Right? Right? And kettle cooked Indian Tiki masala. Here are the bags. And then we're going to save the best for last. But it's not either of these chips. Okay, so first I'm going to try this one. The Brazilian ones. Let's go ahead and open them up. Oh, they smell so good.
They do? What do they smell like?
They smell like yumminess.
Like what? Like
I
garlic?
don't know. It's like meat.
Like meat?
Like cooked meat.
That's what they're supposed to be.
They smell like cooked meat. Okay, let's try them. They taste like cooked meat.
Show them the picture on the front of the bag. See? Cooked meat.
They taste like cooked meat, and they are cooked meat. With like a pinch of something on them. But they taste very good. Okay. Now, to kettle cooked Indian tikka masala.
Make sure you show them the picture.
Okay, before I try them, here's a picture on the front of the bag.
Do you know what tiki masala is?
No.
It's like a spice and tomato.
Pasta?
No, it's Indian.
So this is Indian. That was from Brazil. Oh, that smells like Indian food. Okay, these are very weird. Smell like
Turmeric?
Yeah.
Turmeric.
They have a little bit of spice, but very good.
Are they sweet? No?
Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy?
No.
Would you eat them again? Okay, drum roll. Which one? You need to drum again?
I would have to go with these ones. These ones were the best, and then I would pick these ones. I don't really like spicy, and then they leave a little bit of a spice in the aftertaste.
Yeah? But
Yeah.
you like the meat?
Yeah,
What do you like about the meat?
because they taste like cooked meat. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, so now, best for last. Some Chips Ahoy. They're the new ones, cream-filled Oreo.